Hello everyone, good evening. I am Rushikesh. Today I will discuss topic on constructor in Java. So let's start it. What is constructor? Constructor is nothing but group of code or uh, collection of code that is similar like methods in Java. Constructor is called when instance of classes is created. Uh, Memory for object is allocated in the uh, memory allocation every time in Java. uh, uh, it is special in Java. It is constructor is a special type of constructor because because it is used to object creation, and it known as special type because of it does not return any value, hence it is called special type. In Java, every object is created using new keyword with at least one constructor is called. There is no necessary to there is no not necessary to constructor is called because of Java automatically take default constructor when no when we not define constructor in the class, and default constructor uses default values like integer 0, and the string is null values is provided to the constructor automatically by the compiler. uh, let's moving forward and talking about next is how constructor is different than methods. uh, Constructor does not return any type, while methods returns values. When it is the does not return values or type, does not return type, then void is used for that method when it does not return any type. Next different is it must have a constructor must have same name that is given or defined in the class name which is inside the class. uh, in the method it is not necessary to same name. Same name is given to the method. Third major difference is the constructor are called once when object is created. In method we can call methods any number of times when we require. um, let's moving forward and talking about less needs of constructor. When for example we have class name is student, and student has different entity like roll number, name, and marks. Each have uh, each variable, each class variables has default values like integer is 0, string is null, and the marks are also integer. When we does not pass any parameters, then computer or compiler automatically take values. This is default constructor. Moving forward and talking about the syntax of constructor. uh, first one uh, First one is access modifier, and the second one is class name is given to the constructor. And moving forward and talking about types of constructor. Constructor has three types. Uh, First one is default constructor, second one is no argument constructor, and third one is parameterized constructor. So moving forward talking about no argument constructor. Now a constructor which has no parameter values then it is called no argument constructor. When we do not give parameters to the constructor, then Java or compiler automatically take uh, as we do not define constructor in a class, then Java automatically defines it is constructor of no arguments. Then moving forward, talking about parameterized constructor. Parameterized constructor is a constructor when parameter is used in constructor. It is used when we own different fields with own values is taken for the constructor. Next one is a default constructor. Default constructor is namely as default because it is invisible, because when parameters does not get any parameters, then default constructor is automatically used. It does not in default constructor it is invisible because it does not return any type. Parameter constructor, a default constructor can be converted into parameterized constructor, but parameterized constructor it cannot be converted into a default constructor. Moving forward, talking about constructor overloading. Constructor overloading means same number of same name of the constructor with different parameters passed to the constructor. Thank you friends watching this video.